In this first class, we're going to learn a little bit about brushstroke. We're going to choose a photo to use for our digital painting and prepare it for our digital paintbrush. So here is the Brushstroke app. If you press on that, it will take you to the first screen, and you can see that you can either choose a photo that you already have on your camera roll, or you can take a new picture. Down here, you have the settings button, and if you do that, you'll see all these different choices. Make sure that you use the save high resolution, because especially if you want to print your photo later. That's important. Then, if you go back to here and go to the question mark, you will see all these different instructions about what the different buttons and what the different choices are in Brushstroke. I will be going through these as we do our lesson, but it goes all the way through here, tells you everything from how to begin to how to end. Okay, so for the first picture, let's just choose this lovely zinnia here. We don't have to crop it because it's pretty much cropped already, but if you did want to, you hit that button up there, the little crop symbol, and you can either adjust the boundaries yourself, or you can choose a specific crop. If you want to make the picture look a little more dramatic by closing in on it, whatever you would like to do. I think that I am going to cancel that and just leave the photo as it is for now. Okay. If I were going to use this photo, I would definitely want to crop it because there's too much green space around. So again, hit the crop symbol. And I think I'm going to go square on this one and then center the picture just like that. That looks pretty good. You can also rotate it, reset, and start over again. So I'm going to crop this. Now my picture is ready to go to paint.